Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's February the 13th, 2022. Let's talk about Terra Luna today. Is the market a buy right now? I mean, that's a very simple question. Hopefully, we can get a very simple answer to that question just by looking at the price bars and volume. So if you guys appreciate it, hit that like button. Share the video, also subscribe here to the channel. Make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms because I do play some other content there, just to make sure that we are abreast as to what else is going on in the financial markets. So make sure you guys keep it locked in as well on those other social media platforms. Now, real quick, yeah, you can see it. I do have a price prediction on the chart for Terra Luna, and you guys can see what my expectations were. Now, from that time, which was on the 29th of January, the market did go down in Terra Luna. Let me zoom in so you all can see what happened. Now, the market did go down, but we saw support coming in around $47.50. Market went up. We still expected the market in Terra Luna to get rejected around $60, and that is precisely what happened. So, are we surprised to see price go down following that rejection at $60? No, we should not be, because I talked about that on the 29th of January. So, considering that the price still got rejected in Terra Luna right there around $60, what do you think? Are you still bearish into the market in Terra Luna, or are you bullish into the market in Terra Luna? Because that's confirmation, yeah, that the market in Terra Luna is still generally in a downward trend. Now, last couple of days, the market did see some buyers come in though. So this looks to be like a pretty good buy zone. Or is it? Or do you think sellers are still here? Let's try to take a different viewpoint. Let's look at a different time frame. This is the 2-day time frame here into the market in Terra Luna. Now, what do you think? The last 2-day price bar still gives us confirmation that the price is still weak, that this environment in Terra Luna is still weak. I'm not here to convince you. I'm just here to show you the information off of the price chart. You might think that that's a bullish indicator. You might think that might be bullish. But by this 2-day price bar right here, which started on the 10th of February, in conjunction with us getting rejected at $60, tells us that that is weakness. Now, we are starting off on this current 2-day price bar off on a good foot. Yeah. We're leading out the gate on good traction. I mean, the market is up 1.5% right now, but this could be a fake move. This could be a fake up move in the market to try to trick people into thinking that Terra Luna is now a buy and that price is going to continue to go up. Right? Let's see. Terra Luna on the 3-day. You guys can still see it. That even on a 3-day time frame, the market is still weak. We cannot be too reliant upon this current 3-day price bar because we still got a day and 9 hours left. And this price bar is not going to look the same as it is right now. Let's look at this on the weekly since we're about to conclude the weekly price chart for Terra Luna. So you guys can see it even here. Yeah, the market is still showing its weakness. And seeing how from this weekly chart, I want you all to look at this, right? The market in Terra Luna started its very bullish uptrend on the 19th of July 2021 on that weekly price bar. This is where the bullish trend started. And this is where the bullish trend ended. Look at this. This weekly price bar right here is where the bullish trend ended, because the price broke the trend right there. Okay. Now, this last completed weekly price bar, the market came back up and tested that trend. It wanted to see if there was enough momentum to trade back up above that line. And look at this current weekly price bar is not being successful. So it still tells me that the market, if it was a seesaw, is leaning more towards being on the weak side. This is what the market is reading to us. We can visually tell that that's the case. So why would one come in and say to come in and buy this particular cryptocurrency when the market is emphatically telling us that it's not ready to trade above that ascended line that we started all the way back in July? This was a very strong trend. I mean, the market in Terra Luna went from the close of this weekly price bar, which is around $8.28, to a high right here in December. So it took us 12 months from January to December of last year to see Terra Luna, get this, 1,159% profitability increase. Yes, that is astronomical. You would not see that in the stock market in less than a year. Now the market has lost so far 49.25% of that value. Now, it's a very good move. It has now been broken though. So I just want to prepare everyone who wants to try to see whether or not the market is a buy in Terra Luna, because right now, basically from all of the time frames that I've shown you that the price is still weak. Yeah. And not to become complacent and think that this down move that started in Terra Luna is now over. This is Terra Luna on 2 weeks time frame. This 2 weeks time frame right here, I don't want you all to think that we're done. This is massive weakness for Terra Luna. This is massive weakness. Just because the price is currently closing up higher right now, we still see this rejection coming in on this trend. Yeah, still weak. Okay. So when you look at this on the hourly, I'm still seeing weakness here too. So I think I'm going to continue to keep my price prediction the same. I'm not going to come in and change it. No, not yet. I think I told you all originally that $45 would be my first area PT, which means take profit, or I'm sorry, TP, which means take profit. Go back and listen to the video and see what was said. I'm going to hold to that again. The first price target is still going to be maintained around $45 in Terra Luna, which is around 13%. We already seen that happen into the market in Terra Luna right here on the 30th of January. So it took us a day when I originally did the price prediction to see the market in Terra Luna go down to that level. But from a 2 weeks perspective, right, I wouldn't be surprised to see the market come down to $40 or even $35.60. I wouldn't even be surprised. I mean, look how weak the market was on a 2 weeks perspective. Right? Look at that. That's a massive indication that the dynamics has changed. So I'm going to continue to go on in the market with my original price prediction, which was done on the 29th of January. And I've shown you reasons off of the price chart alone as to why, from my perspective, Terra Luna is not a buy here at this price currently. I'm still looking for the market to go down. Now, this is my perception. This is my thoughts, my opinion. I want to know, what do you think though? Yeah. What are you noticing on the price chart? What do you think the price is going to do as we go into February, March time frame? Where do you think the price in Terra Luna is going to go? I just wanted to come in and drop my opinion. You have your own thoughts. We have an open community. Let everyone know publicly, what is your price prediction, your price target in Terra Luna? Let me know real quick. Make sure you maintain profitability. And as always, trade different.